Lately, my granny has been on my mind. She passed away on April 15th, 1993, and I feel like there just wasn't enough time for me to ask all the questions that I had about her life. When I was little, I always watched her run around the kitchen as she prepared meals for us. When she made biscuits, she'd use this little metal cutout that had a wooden handle. I thought it was fascinating that she had a special tool just for cutting out biscuits. When I was 10 years old, my granny taught me how to make biscuits. She always told me if you knew how to make gravy and biscuits, you'd never go hungry. Here I'm making her yeast biscuits. She'd always make this pan of biscuits when she would make chocolate gravy. They had just enough sweetness to go with that bitter of the chocolate, but they were perfect even with regular gravy. My granny taught me how to make many foods during my years with her, and that is one thing I'll always be grateful for. I guess that's where my love of cooking came from. At the end of this video, I put her recipe in memory of her, so you can make her yeast biscuits, but make sure you make a pot of chocolate gravy to go with them. You will not be sorry. Enjoy her recipe.